First up at number 1, we have the 2026 Tesla Motorhome. Now Tesla has already revolutionized electric cars, trucks, and even semi-vehicles. But when they announced that they were developing a motorhome, the world took notice. The 2026 Tesla Motorhome is everything you would expect from Tesla futuristic electric and packed with mind-blowing features. From the outside, you can see the signature sleek Tesla design with aerodynamic contours that reduce drag and enhance efficiency. The body is constructed from ultra-lightweight composite materials which help with both durability and range. The Tesla Motorhome is fully electric with a massive battery pack integrated into the floor, giving it an estimated range of around 600 miles on a single charge, depending on load and terrain. But here is where things get really interesting. Tesla has integrated solar panels across the roof and extendable solar wings that can fold out when parked. These panels are capable of generating enough power to keep the motorhome self-sustaining for days without plugging in. The energy management system is pure genius, prioritizing battery charging, climate control, and onboard appliances automatically step inside the Tesla Motorhome, and you are greeted by a futuristic interior that feels like a high-end smart apartment. There's a spacious living area with minimalist design, a panoramic glass roof with smart tinting, and furniture that converts into multiple configurations. The main lounge area features a large OLED display with integrated streaming services and surround sound speakers built into the walls and ceiling. Tesla has even added haptic feedback surfaces so your entertainment experience is truly immersive. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, the Tesla Motorhome does not disappoint. It has a master bed at the rear that feels like a luxury hotel bed with memory foam mattress and temperature control technology. There are 2 additional fold-out sleeping pods that can be used for guests or children. The kitchen is fully equipped with an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator that orders groceries when supplies run low, and a compact dishwasher. All of these appliances are optimized to run efficiently off the onboard battery system. Driving experience is unlike any other. Tesla has integrated full self-driving capabilities into the motorhome. You can set your destination, and the motorhome will handle highways, turns, parking, and even navigating into campsites with precision. The cockpit is a single-screen interface that controls driving, navigation, and all the smart home features inside. There is also a smart voice assistant built in that can adjust lighting, change temperature, or start brewing coffee at your command. Safety features include Tesla vision cameras on all sides, collision avoidance, auto emergency braking, and night vision mode for low visibility conditions. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Tesla Motorhome is the expandability when parked. You can extend both sides of the motorhome outward, creating extra interior space, almost doubling the width of the living area. It feels like a small apartment rather than a vehicle. This expandability, combined with Tesla's advanced energy system, makes this motorhome the top choice for 2026 in our book. Now moving on to number 2 on our list, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Volvo has always been known for safety, innovation, and Scandinavian design, and their motorhome is a perfect example of these values. Volvo approached their motorhome project with a focus on sustainability and livability. They wanted a vehicle that would feel like home while respecting the environment and pushing the boundaries of travel comfort on. The outside, the Volvo Motorhome has a clean, modern silhouette with a front fascia inspired by their latest SUV lineup. It sits on a reinforced lightweight chassis with all-wheel drive powered by a hybrid system that combines electric motors with a compact turbocharged engine. This setup gives you over 500 miles of range, with the flexibility to refuel or recharge depending on your location. The Volvo Motorhome also features a regenerative braking system that recaptures energy while driving downhill or slowing down, adding extra miles to your journey. Inside the Volvo Motorhome, you immediately notice the craftsmanship. Natural wood accents, soft ambient lighting, and ergonomic furniture Create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The main lounge has a modular sofa system that can be rearranged into a dining area workspace or additional sleeping space. The panoramic windows are equipped with smart glass, technology that can switch from clear to opaque for privacy at the touch of a button. The kitchen is designed with Volvo's signature attention to detail. There is a dual-burner induction stove, a microwave convection oven, and a fridge with smart temperature zones. The countertops are made from recycled materials without compromising on style or durability. A unique feature in the Volvo Motorhome is the hidden pantry system. Pull a handle and entire racks of storage slide out, giving you ample space for food and supplies. Sleeping arrangements are equally impressive. The master suite is located in the rear with a queen-size bed and integrated storage solutions. There is also a loft bed above the cab area that slides down when needed, and a convertible sofa bed in the lounge. The bathroom features a space-saving rotating wall that switches between shower mode and vanity mode, saving valuable space while offering full functionality. Volvo has also prioritized safety and driver assistance. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is equipped with adaptive cruise control lane, keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a new feature called Safe Camp, which monitors surroundings while parked and alerts you to any unusual activity or weather changes. The infotainment system integrates with your smartphone, and Volvo Cloud services, letting you plan routes, check weather, and even locate charging stations or campsites with real-time data. But what truly sets the Volvo Motorhome apart is its sustainability focus. The roof is covered with solar panels, and the interior uses recycled and eco-friendly materials throughout. Volvo also offers a subscription service for this motorhome, which includes maintenance updates and even seasonal interior upgrades, so your motorhome stays fresh and modern for years to come. It is this balance of design, safety, and innovation that makes the Volvo Motorhome our number 2 pick. Finally, at number 3, we have the 2026 Ford Motorhome. Ford has been a trusted name in trucks and vans for decades, and their motorhome takes all that rugged reliability and adds modern features that make road trips easier than ever. Ford designed this motorhome with families in mind, focusing on space, versatility, and technology. From the exterior, the Ford Motorhome has a bold and muscular design with a strong grille and LED lighting signature. It sits on a heavy-duty chassis with a powerful plug-in hybrid system, giving you a solid range and towing capacity if you want to bring along extra gear or even a small trailer. The suspension system has been optimized for comfort, so even on long drives across rough terrain, the ride remains smooth and quiet. Inside the Ford Motorhome, practicality meets comfort. The main cabin area has large windows, creating an open-airy feel. There is a U-shaped sofa that wraps around the back wall, which can be converted into a large bed for guests. The dining area has a foldable table that disappears into the wall when not in use. The kitchen is straightforward but efficient, with a 3-burner stove, a large refrigerator, and plenty of overhead storage. Ford includes smart home features like app-controlled lighting, heating, and entertainment, so you can manage everything from your phone. One of the standout features in the Ford Motorhome is the expandable bunk system located mid-cabin. These bunks fold out from the wall, creating sleeping space for kids or guests without taking up permanent floor space. The bathroom is spacious with a full-size shower, a modern sink, and a toilet with a water-saving flush system. The materials used throughout the interior are durable and easy to clean. Ideal for adventurous families, Ford has also included a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large central touchscreen that manages navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics. Voice control is integrated, so you can adjust settings. Hands-free safety features include adaptive steering, rear cross-traffic alert, trailer sway control, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering a breeze. The Ford Motorhome also comes equipped with a roof-mounted solar array and an auxiliary battery pack, which means you can camp off-grid for several days without needing hookups. If you need to work on the road, Ford has thought of that too, with a dedicated workspace that folds out from the side of the lounge, complete with USB ports and wireless charging pads. In terms of driving experience, the Ford Motorhome feels solid and confident on the road, thanks to its torque-rich hybrid system and well-tuned suspension. Whether you are cruising down the highway or exploring back roads, the Ford delivers comfort and capability. You also have multiple drive modes, including EcoSport and Tow mode, depending on your needs. So, there you have it, the top 3 motorhomes coming in 2026. Each of these motorhomes brings something unique to the table. The Tesla Motorhome leads with futuristic technology and full electric power, making it perfect for those who want the cutting edge. Volvo offers unmatched safety, sustainability, and Scandinavian design that feels like home on wheels. Ford brings rugged reliability and family-friendly features, making it an ideal companion for long adventures. 3 motorhomes show just how far the industry has come. No longer are motorhomes just simple travel vehicles, they are evolving into smart, efficient, and luxurious homes that allow you to explore the world without compromise. Whether you are a solo traveler, a couple seeking adventure, or a family looking to make unforgettable memories on the road, one of these 2026 models is sure to capture your imagination. Thank you for watching Ride Ready Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of motorhomes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. Let us know in the comments which of these motorhomes impressed you the most and which one you would choose for your next adventure. Until next time, keep your wheels ready and your spirit adventurous, because the road is calling, and with these incredible motorhomes, the future of travel is brighter than ever.